In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in or create a Perplexity AI account. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Perplexity homepage. Once the website loads, you'll be on the main landing page where you can begin the sign-in process. If you're brand new to Perplexity, this same process can also create your account for you, so there's no need to look for a separate sign-up button first. When you're on the homepage, look for the option that says Continue with Google and click on it. This is one of the quickest and easiest ways to access Perplexity, especially if you already use a Google account regularly. Using this option can save time because it connects your Google login directly to Perplexity, which means you may not need to create and remember a completely separate password. After clicking Continue with Google, you'll be taken to the Google sign-in page. Here, Google will show the accounts that are already available on your device or browser. At this point, choose the account you want to use for Perplexity. If you already have a Perplexity account connected to that Google account, signing in will take you straight into it. If you've never used Perplexity before with that Google account, this step will usually create your new account automatically. Make sure you select the correct Google account before moving forward, especially if you have multiple personal, school, or work accounts signed in on the same device. Choosing the right one now can help you avoid confusion later when trying to access your chat history, saved settings, or subscription information. Once you select your account, Google may briefly ask you to confirm permissions or continue the sign-in process. Just follow the prompts on screen until you are redirected back to Perplexity. After that, you should be signed in and ready to start using the platform. As a quick tip, if the Google account you want to use doesn't appear in the list, you can usually choose the option to use another account and sign in manually from there. Also, if the page doesn't load correctly, refreshing the browser or trying again in a private window can sometimes help. And that's it. By going to the Perplexity homepage, clicking Continue with Google, and choosing your account, you can either sign in or create your Perplexity AI account in just a few moments.